Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with y'all how to make perfect white rice on the stove. If y'all follow me for a long time, y'all know how much I love rice. And I've been watching my mama cook rice this way since I was a little girl. And it comes out amazing all the time. And I am very excited to share with y'all this way of how she make it. She always use a mug cup. So we're going to add in our long grain white rice, fill it up to the top. A perfect mug cup, and we're going to pour it into our bowl. Now we're going to head over to the sink and wash it. Going to rinse it under cold water, and it's very important to rinse your rice to get rid of all that starch. And I like to rinse mine a couple of times. And you can tell it's rinsed. See how the water is nice and cleared? That's what you're looking for. Alrighty, our rice is nice and washed. We are ready to cook it. Let's head over to the stove. On my stove top, I have my medium saucepan. We're going to add in our freshly washed rice. Now we're going to add in 2 mug cups of water. We're also going to add in a pinch of kosher salt. You can also flavor your rice with broth or stock. And for buttery rice, you can add in about a tablespoon or 2 of butter. So now we're going to cut the fire on to high, and all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, the rice has came to a boil, so now we're going to cover the pot, cut the fire down to low, and let the rice simmer for 15 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look at the rice. Going to fluff it up using a fork. Oh, yes. You see how the grain separated and it's not sticky? This is a perfectly cooked pot of white rice. Fluffy, not overcooked. So now I cut my fire off and the rice is ready to serve. All right, my friends, there you have it. That's how easy it is to make white rice. I made my mama proud. Don't that look good? Great to serve with gumbo, oxtails, meatloaf, hamburger steak, fried chicken. Pour some gravy on it. Love me some rice and gravy. And butter. Can't go wrong with more butter and rice, if I do say so myself. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Love the smell of rice cooking. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this simple cooking tutorial. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.